morning, Associates. Mr. Cristobal will announce something. Hi, I just want to inform you that today will be a regular day. But your teachers are not around because we're having a meeting. So SC leaders, take charge. Mr. Samson, keep your headphones. Ano kay Jack? Gugupitin ko yan. Pero yung mga hindi nag-PPE ah. Thank you. Mr. Florido. That is already the silence bell. First year, pass. Observe proper distances.
Si Mixer nakatingin doon sa likod ko. Kasi si Moses. Ayun yung nasa likod ko. Oo nga, tumatawa si Miss. Observe proper distances. Panshi! Panshi! Dapat bakit sila poralan? Si Karina. Sino si Camila? Si Maximo.
Good morning, people of the Philippines. Let's start the meeting with a prayer.
Oh, nahulog si Kulto. Si Maximo nahulog. Tingnan mo kung nasan yung kamay.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. As it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end.
Nahulog si Maximo.
Please have a seat. We're going to... Teka lang. Please pick up the pieces of paper muna bago kayo umupo. Okay, you may now be seated.
Thank you, sir.
We're about to start. Who would like to start? Start. My goodness gracious! Tama, sir. Naku! Keep quiet!
Party pooper ka ba?
But you know what? Even though his story is like that, I can still see the potential in him. Maybe he's just absorbing my quotation that grades are just numbers. They don't lie, and they also don't tell the whole story.
Okay! Anthony Apple! Wala ka ba?
Son, 100%. Zip! I want absolute silence. 100%. If you do 2 more jokes, that's true. But you got 3 more, that's true. Ah!
Guys, ano ba? Respeto naman sa mga nagsasalita, oh. Ano ba? Ganito na lang ba tayo palagi?
Enough with that. Dale, naligo ka na ba? Diba? Para kang gold star. Others, please.
Oo nga naman. Pagtuunan naman natin ang pansin yung mga batang makukulit tulad ni Chua.
At lalo na yung si Bea Santiago, hindi lang ang gumagawa ng journal niya, natutulog pa sa klase.
Naku, oo nga. Sasabunutan mo kilay yun eh.
Especially the high school boys who are inconsistent during the line formation.
Ba't hindi po yung mga swimming dyan?
Wake up in the morning, feeling glasses on, the I'm gonna hit the city. I'm gonna leave with a bottle of Jack. I'm gonna leave for the night. I'm in the back, I'm talking to you.
Bawat buhay, masaya at malungkot, magulo at kulay. That's right, isn't it?
Ay, si Miss ano?
Si kabawat si Anton Alarde, hindi pa nakikinig, di pa rin nagpa-participate. Mga chak!
At yung mga hindi nagdadala ng mga ingredients.
Excuse me po, akitin ko lang po yung freedom ko at baka nagkakarambulan na sila. Paalam na po mga kapwa ko guro. Paalam na po mga kapwa ko guro.
Ay, dapat madami.
Excuse me rin po. May I excuse Mr. Snowman for his routine interview?
Okay, enough. Are there any violent reactions, Dale? Maligo ka ulit. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. Let's call it a day.